this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a beautiful situation of some beautiful gates that we installed in here. We're in the Hollywood Hills, kind of close to Mount Olympus, and beautiful neighborhood. Unfortunately, this house went through some home invasions, 2 of them in a period of about 4 months. So we secured this house and put on those beautiful gates, and I want to show you the workmanship and the perfection of the material. This is a aluminum powder coated gate that doesn't require any maintenance. All you need to do is just clean it up. You're not gonna have to go through rusting and or wood that get expanded and such. Look at the hinges in here, how beautiful the finished work is. And here it is from the inside. This is a double gate, so we put a cane bolt on the bottom. We already put the electric strike for that gate, so they can tap into it when they're gonna have intercom with remote viewing. Right now they have the ring, but the ring cannot open the gates remotely, so that can be done later. But just wanted to show you that beautiful product. Look how everything is closing nice. Beautiful close, look at this. And let me show you the other gate that we did in here, which is the driveway gate. I don't have the remote right now, so I wouldn't be able to show you how it works. You don't see any chains in here or anything like that. Let's go a bit closer. You can see how the rollers are situated so beautifully. And this is the thickness of it from the top. Nice, beautiful product altogether, done professionally by Mulholland brand. So if you need your help with securing your property with beautiful gates, increase the value, protecting the little kids that's running around, and helping securing the property, then give us a call, 1-800-562-5770. My name is Avi Ben David at Mulholland. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.